Hello, this is Darren Martineau here. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to get the best ideas for your YouTube channel and how to use ChatGPT. So I'm here on ChatGPT. I'm putting in create 10 new video ideas for affiliate marketing. And watch what happens. Absolutely. Here's 10 fresh video ideas for affiliate marketing. Look at how simple that was. I tried blankety blank product for 7 days. Here's what happened. So this is called product reviews and launch jacking. Idea number 2 is the top 5 niches you need. What I wish I knew before buying product. Do a comparison video. This is really good. And if you need ideas for your YouTube channel, this is a great way to do this. So if you would like a free, my free affiliate marketing training, I show you to create viral videos. I show you how to make money online. I have a new book. It's Affiliate Marketing Master Guide. If you want all this and more, click on the link below in the description and put in your email, and you get instant access to the Team Freedom Funnel right now. So if you're looking to make money online, this is a great way to do it. I show you the whole system inside. Thank you very much. Have a great day.